In this lesson, we'll tidy up the layers panel by grouping layers into a folder. We'll resize the secondary articles and add a UPC barcode. Let's select all of the articles on the right side. You can do a shift click to select all the layers. Now, an easy way to group layers like this is select all the layers, and at the bottom of the layers panel, there's a folder. If we click the folder, it will put all those layers into a grouped folder. If we click on the arrow to the left of the folder, it will open up the group to show you all the layers. You can also just select the group folder and move everything in that group, which is really convenient. So I can select that folder and do a Command T to transform to make all of the articles a little bit smaller, and press return. I think the size of the articles and the lead article look like a good size now. Download the UPC barcode from the assignment page and bring it in to the magazine design. Let's line it up to line up with the right side of the text. Do a Command T to transform and drag the top left corner down to the right and press return. The magazine cover is starting to look really good now. This lesson will continue in the next video.